Welcome to this in-depth demonstration of WINBACK TECAR therapy for aesthetic treatments. In this session, we'll guide you through the mechanism, benefits, and application techniques using a complete sequence of WINBACK's specialized handpieces. Today's protocol uses the following attachments in this order: CET for lymphatic activation, RET dynamic fractal for deep tissue remodeling, RET bracelets for manual muscle stimulation, multipolar for global toning, and we'll finish again with CET to cool and calm the tissue. This sequence delivers visible, long-lasting results naturally, comfortably, and without downtime. So what is WINBACK TECAR therapy? WINBACK TECAR therapy uses high-frequency radio waves, typically between 300 kHz and 1 MHz, to stimulate tissue repair, improve circulation, and activate cellular metabolism. In aesthetic settings, TECAR therapy is renowned for its ability to stimulate collagen and elastin production, reduce wrinkles and skin laxity, improve microcirculation, boost lymphatic drainage, break down localized fat and fibrosis, and improve post-operative healing and scar tissue. Unlike traditional radiofrequency devices, WINBACK offers dual energy modes: CT, which is capacitive, and RET, which stands for resistive, to target tissues at varying depths with precision. Today's treatment will demonstrate how these modes are used in a strategic sequence to achieve a layered whole tissue aesthetic transformation. By working with the body's natural healing and regenerative abilities, WINBACK offers a non-invasive, pain-free solution for facial rejuvenation and glow, neck and jawline lifting, wrinkle smoothing, cellulite reduction, contouring, and muscle tone enhancement. This technology is versatile enough for both face and body, and it's suitable for most skin types and tones. Let's begin the treatment and walk through each handpiece, showing you how the full WINBACK experience unfolds. We begin with the CET handpiece, short for capacitive energy transfer. This mode delivers gentle energy to superficial tissues, skin, lymphatic vessels, and blood-rich layers. Key benefits of the CET phase are activating lymphatic drainage, warms and prepares the tissue, enhances microcirculation, boosts cellular oxidation, and creates an ideal base for deeper stimulation. Using gentle gliding strokes, I work across the face, neck, and décolleté, stimulating detoxification and improving the skin's brightness. CET also helps distribute the conductive cream evenly, setting up a smooth surface for the next phase. This initial warm-up promotes a visible reduction in puffiness and helps improve the delivery for nutrients to the skin. Next, we move into deep tissue activation using the RET fractal dynamic head. RET, which stands for resistive energy transfer, targets denser, deeper tissues. This includes muscle fascia, fibrous tissue, and fat layers. The fractal dynamic attachment delivers this energy with additional mechanical stimulation, enhancing the remodeling effect. This phase is ideal for jawline and cheek lifting, neck firming, abdomen and thigh toning, breaking down deep fibrous and tight fascia, and promoting collagen remodeling. The RET fractal head is moved slowly across targeted zones, working deeper than CET to encourage structural lifting and long-term firming. Clients often describe this sensation as a deep warming massage with electric stim, and the thermal effect continues to work in the tissue hours after the session ends. Now we bring in a unique, intuitive tool, the RET bracelets. These are worn by the practitioner, turning their hands into active electrodes. As they perform manual massage, RET energy flows directly through their touch, allowing for precise sculpting and muscle activation. This phase is especially powerful for facial contouring, cheek and eye area lifting, manual fascia release, muscle re-education and toning, and improving elasticity and resilience. Using specialized lifting and kneading techniques, the practitioner enhances neuromuscular stimulation, creating a natural lift while engaging the deeper facial muscles. This sensation is extremely relaxing yet highly effective. This is one of the most customizable and personalized phases of the WINBACK treatment. Now we transition to the multipolar headpiece, designed for even global tissue stimulation. With multipolar radiofrequency poles delivering energy across the skin, multipolar technology allows for wider, uniform coverage, making it ideal for areas needing global firming and lifting, wrinkle smoothing, circulatory enhancement, and skin texture rebalancing. This step is particularly effective for the forehead, crow's feet, nasolabial folds, and neck, but it also works beautifully on the abdomen, arms, thighs for body contouring. By this point in the treatment, the tissue has been fully activated, and multipolar helps smooth, tone, and enhance surface texture, creating a polished, rejuvenated finish. To complete the treatment, we return to the CET handpiece, this time used for soothing, rebalancing, and cooling the skin. After all the deep stimulation, CET helps with calming the nervous system, reducing any residual inflammation, support final lymphatic release, restore skin barrier and balance, and lock in treatment effects. The strokes are slow and rhythmic, and the heat level is reduced to provide a relaxing, spa-like end to the treatment. This is the phase where clients often drift off. It's deeply calming and ensures the skin is left hydrated, soothed, and glowing. After a full 60-minute session, clients typically see improved skin tone and texture, visible lifting of the treated area, reduction in puffiness and fine lines, and enhanced definition and contour. For best results, we recommend a course of 6 to 10 treatments. Sessions can be done up to twice a week, with monthly maintenance to prolong effects. Because WINBACK works by stimulating the body's own systems, the results are natural, cumulative, and long-lasting. Thank you for watching this demonstration of WINBACK TECAR therapy for aesthetic applications. This sequence, CET, RET fractal dynamic, RET bracelets, multipolar, and CET again, delivers a comprehensive treatment that addresses circulation, lymphatics, muscle tone, collagen remodeling, and surface texture. This is non-invasive, painless, and very effective. To experience this treatment or learn how to incorporate it into your aesthetic practice, you can contact us at hobokenchiro.com or give us a call at 201-792-3544.